You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from English. If you want to learn more directions and more vocabulary from English that is confusing and often mispronounced, make sure to stay tuned. The British English pronunciation is slightly different from the American pronunciation. North, that's British English, how it's pronounced in the UK. North. American English pronunciation, the way it is pronounced in the US, in the United States. North. North. American English pronunciation, or North British English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.